Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV. At the end of this trading week, the following macroeconomic reports will see the light of day. On Thursday, the United States will unveil the ADP Employment Change Report for June. Economists anticipate that the number of employed people grew at slower pace to 181,000. In May, this indicator soared to 253,000 on a seasonal adjusted basis after increasing by 174,000 in April. At the same time, the figure in May was higher than the expected level of 181,000. The employment in the manufacturing sector rose by 48,000, while the number of the employed people in the services sector was up by 205,000. The ADP report excludes the public sector. The data from the U.S. Department of Labor will provide more comprehensive information. This report is scheduled for release on Friday. So on Friday, the official reports on the unemployment level and non-farm payrolls for June will be delivered in the United States. Experts predict that the unemployment level remained unchanged at 4.3%, while the number of employed people is expected to grow by 175,000. In the previous month, the labor market conditions deteriorated and the employment increased at much slower pace than anticipated. Thus, the number of non-farm payrolls edged up to 138,000 in May after increasing to 174,000 in the previous month. The consensus forecast called for a rise in the employment of 185,000. At the same time, the unemployment level declined to 4.3% in May, hitting the lowest level since May 2001. Meanwhile, analysts expected the unemployment level to remain unchanged at 4.4%. On Friday, one more key report will be released. This time, the United Kingdom will unveil the industrial production data for May. Economists anticipate that the production expanded by 0.4% on a monthly basis and 0.2% in annual terms. In April, the UK industrial output grew at slower pace, adding 0.2% from the previous month. At the same time, the indicator decreased by 0.8% in annual terms. Furthermore, the manufacturing output rose by 0.2%, failing to meet the expected rise of 0.9%. On a yearly basis, the indicator stood flat. On top of these events, the following macroeconomic statistics may influence the market dynamics at the end of this week. On Thursday, Australia and Canada will deliver the trade balance data, and Switzerland will unveil the inflation report. Besides, the United States will publish the initial jobless claims report, and the Institute for Supply Management will release the manufacturing PMI reading. On Friday, the Federal Reserve will publish the semi-annual monetary policy report, and Canada will present the labor market statistics. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events on Insta TV. Thanks for watching and see you back soon. Bye.